Today we're on one of the most remote and isolated parts of the Philippines, Araceli, Palawan, Philippines.
Can I take you there?
It took a lot of coordination to get here. It took vans, it took boats, it took another van, and we finally made it to our Airbnb right on the beach in Araceli. So this is not your typical beach photo shoot. But when you get here, you get crystal clear waters, raw beach scenes, beautiful scenery, so it's well worth the effort. Today's mission is simple. We're gonna compare natural light photography versus off-camera flash in this remote location. We're gonna use the same model, the same locations, and the same lenses. We're gonna use the Sigma 105, which I call the Bokeh Master, paired with the Sony A1, and for video, we're gonna be using the brand new Sony A7 IV. We're working with our model Mimi today. The goal is to keep the scene clean, simple, and controlled. No overcomplication, just a strong composition, good light, and intentional decision making. The first setup is natural light. We're shooting along the shoreline with the sun behind her, using the sun as a natural backlight. We're using a reflector to control the lighting on her face to eliminate most of the shadows. The reflector is key. Natural light can be beautiful, but only when the light is cooperating. You have to shape it. Right now we're shooting wide open with the Sigma 105. The lens compresses the background, giving it a creamy separation. The water, the sky, and everything just melts away behind her. That's the strength of this lens. It gives you the look that feels organic and effortless. But here's the trade-off. You're entirely dependent upon the sun. Clouds move, intensity changes, shadows shift. So we adjust. We position Mimi slightly at an angle to catch the light. Small movement makes big differences. Let's do a natural light review. Let's look at what we're getting. Her skin tones look normal. The highlights are soft. The background seems alive but not distracting. That's the strength of natural light. It tells the truth. But sometimes the truth needs a little control, and that's where flash comes in. We're bringing out the Godox Explorer 600 Pro. We're no longer chasing light, we're creating it. Same location, same model, same lens, different approach. Now we're overpowering the sun slightly, not killing it, just balancing it. I want that dramatic pop. I want that separation, that polished, almost editorial look. The flash changes everything. We control the exposure on the subject's skin independently from the exposure of the background. We can darken the sky. We can add contrast. We can shape shadows exactly how we want, which causes Mimi to stand out. The images become more intentional and stylized. Okay, here are some side-by-side comparisons. Look at the difference. Natural light, organic, soft, elegant. Flash is bold, controlled, and cinematic. Same lens, same subject, two different stories. The bottom line up front is this. Natural light is about working with what's there. Off-camera flash is about creating what's not there. Out here in Araceli, we had both options. And honestly, we should have used both. And we did. If you're serious about improving your photography, learn how to do both well. We will be doing more shoots like this, with more breakdowns, with different conditions and different equipment. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Hold on, I'm not finished. Oh, yes I am. Natural light is about working with what's there. It's about working with shit. can't say what's with there. I need to clean my glasses. I know it's picking up. All right. Compare the 35 millimeter versus the 50 millimeter. No, it's not what we're doing. That's what we're going to do. Some more, I should say. But I'm f***ing up just a little bit. Okay. All right, then I'm done.